Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 13 Pro and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings. And then we have to find connection and sharing. It should be almost at the very top of the list. And here let's scroll down to the very bottom to find Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile Networks and Bluetooth. So let's tap on it. Again, you've got those sections which will be reset listed here, so just tap on reset settings. Here we've got the information that you will not be able to undo the section and that it may take several seconds, so just be patient and tap on OK. Basically, as you can see, after resetting you will receive this information. So that's all. This is how to reset the network preferences in your Xiaomi 13 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.